everyone, my name is Reditas Januari. I'm from Pekalongan, Central Java, Indonesia. I'm a member of Paguyuban Kaur Jawa Jawata and I'm also a student at Universitas 17 Agustus 1945 Semarang in the Education of Belief in One Supreme God program. Today I would like to introduce one of Indonesian traditional culture, which is Javanese traditional clothing. So, Javanese traditional clothing is not only traditional clothing, but it also has a long history, philosophy, and special meaning that are still preserved today. Now, let's begin our presentation. Before we look at the different traditional clothes, let us first learn about Javanese traditional clothing. So, Javanese traditional clothing is an important part of Javanese culture. It has been passed down from generation to generation. From the past until today, these traditional clothes are still worn at traditional ceremonies, weddings, cultural celebration, and even some formal events. What makes Javanese traditional clothing so special is that every pattern, color, and accessory has its own meaning. The so important Javanese values such as simplicity, harmony, politeness, and respect for others. Now that we know about Javanese traditional clothing, let's continue with the traditional clothing for Javanese women. Now let's talk about the traditional clothing for Javanese women. The main clothing is called kebaya. It is traditional clothing that is usually worn at wedding, traditional ceremonies, and formal events. Kebaya looks elegant and polite. Kebaya is worn with batik cloth, also called jarik, and batik has many beautiful patterns such as parang, kawung, and sidomukti. Each pattern has its own meaning such as hope, good luck, and prosperity. Women also wear a shawl. A traditional hairstyle is called sanggul, and accessories such as bros, rings, and bracelets. This makes the outfit more beautiful and polite. Through Javanese women traditional clothing, we can see how Javanese people love beauty and keep the culture from their ancestors. Next, let's look at the traditional clothing for Javanese men. Besides women clothing, Javanese people also have traditional clothing for men. The main outfit is called beskap, which is a traditional jacket. It is usually worn with batik cloth. And another important part is the blangkon. Blangkon is a traditional Javanese head covering. It is a symbol of honor in Javanese culture. And men also wear a keris, which is a traditional weapon. It is a symbol of courage, honor, and wisdom. And so, from Javanese men traditional clothing, we can learn that every part of the outfit is not only for decoration but also has a special meaning. Now, let's see how these traditional clothing are worn by couple at formal event. At wedding and traditional ceremonies, men and women usually wear matching traditional clothing. The batik pattern are often the same or similar. They show harmony, unity, and togetherness. As time goes by, Javanese traditional clothing has also changed in some way. For example, today many women wear kebaya with a hijab. Even with this modern change, the culture, value, and meaning of Javanese traditional clothing are still kept. This shows that culture can change with time without losing its identity and tradition. In conclusion, we can see that Javanese clothing is more than just traditional clothing. Behind every kebaya, batik, beskap, blangkon, and keris, there are culture value, special meaning, and the identity of the Javanese people that have been passed down from generation to generation. As young people, we should learn, respect, and keep Indonesian culture so it can be known by future generation. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this video help you learn more about traditional culture. Thank you. See you next time. Rahayu.